Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Madden Mobile on a school Chromebook. First, you need to ensure your device is ready. Most modern Chromebooks support Android apps, but school settings might restrict access. Check if the Google Play Store is enabled in your settings. Also, make sure you have at least 2 GB of available storage for the game and updates. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once you've confirmed compatibility, the next step is enabling the Google Play Store. Go to your Chromebook settings, usually found by clicking the time in the bottom right corner. Look for the Apps section and then select Google Play Store. There, you should find an option to turn on the ability to install Android applications. If this option is grayed out, your school administrator may have. For substantial wealth accumulation, a long-term investment horizon is key. The power of compounding interest allows your earnings to generate further earnings, significantly growing your capital over decades. While short-term market movements can be volatile, they typically have less impact on a well-chosen, long-term portfolio. Many successful investors hold assets for 5, 10, or even 20 years. To ensure the best gameplay experience, consider a few optimizations. Lowering the in-game graphics settings can significantly improve performance, especially on less powerful Chromebooks. Also, close any other applications running in the background to free up system resources. For a more traditional gaming feel, you might connect a compatible Bluetooth game controller. This can offer more precise control than using the touchscreen or trackpad during intense gameplay moments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.